Hello, my name is Euripides Triana T and I am a professor at UNAT University. I live in the Neiva city and I work at SECAP Neiva. I choose the video title "This is the worst job interview facts comedy." A man greeted a woman, mentioning that they had a scheduled interview. He thanked her for attending and she responded that she was glad to be considered. The man then told the woman that they were looking for someone with a lot of experience for the job. She replied, saying that the job was quite basic and didn't require much experience. The man countered, saying that although it was an entry-level position, it required expertise. He added that they needed someone who could work well in a team, but also independently. The man then began making contradictory statements, saying they wanted someone with initiative, but who would change the usual working method. He also said it would be good for the person to make change, but without deviation from tradition. Additionally, the man told the woman that they liked to stay in constant contact with his employer, meaning being on a video call throughout the workday. He even had a worker step on a call at that moment and made the woman greet him. After continuing to list contradictory qualities for the ideal worker, the man said the best word to describe the ideal candidate was dissident. He then talked about the office environment, mentioning the snack they offered and offered her a king bar, but noticed the woman had already left the room. He then picked up the phone, which was on a video call with Steve, and told him that the woman had left. Thank you very much.